High in the misty mountains lived a dragon named Fred. But Fred wasn't like other dragons, breathe fire, or scare knights. Fred snored. And not just any snore his. Snore shook trees, rattled windows, every night. When Fred cuddled up with his red teddy bear, Snuffles, and drifted off, it began. Down in the village of Willowmere, the townspeople groaned. "It's that dragon again," the mayor said, rubbing his sleepy eyes. "I thought it was an earthquake," yelled the baker. "He sounds like a bathtub full of ducks," muttered the librarian. No one could sleep. Babies cried. Chickens stopped laying eggs. The villagers had tried everything: earplugs, blankets, even asking the mountain to move, but nothing worked. Then came Lily, a brave 8-year-old girl with messy braids, big glasses, and a backpack full of peanut butter sandwiches. She loved mysteries and wasn't afraid of dragons. "I'm going to visit the Snoring Dragon," she said. "You'll be toast," cried the grocer. "You'll be a pancake," warned her teacher. But Lily just smiled. "He's not mean, just noisy." With her flashlight and fluffy socks, Lily hiked up the winding trail. Wind howled and clouds growled, but she kept climbing until she reached Fred's cave. Inside, she saw the giant dragon snuggled up with his teddy bear, snoring like a freight train playing a trumpet. "Snen!" Lily tiptoed in. The ground trembled. She opened her backpack, pulled out 2 fuzzy socks, and whispered, "Time for nose mittens, big guy." She gently slipped the socks over Fred's huge nostrils. Suddenly, shh! Fred sneezed so hard, fireworks burst from his nose. Boom, crackle, pop! A nearby bush turned into cotton candy. Fred blinked awake. Bless me?" Lily giggled. "Hi, I'm Lily. You snore like thunder." Fred sighed. "I know. I've tried everything: tea, lullabies, sleeping upside down. Nothing helps." "Well," Lily said, pointing to the cotton candy bush, "your sneeze just made dessert. That's awesome." Fred smiled. "You're not scared?" "Nope," Lily said. "You're just unusually loud." They became fast friends. Lily visited weekly with new nose mitten designs, fluffy, sparkly, and silly ones shaped like pineapples. As for the villagers, they changed their tune. Instead of being annoyed, they threw a celebration called Snorefest every year, with fireworks, bedtime stories, and cotton candy for everyone. Fred even became the star, performing a grand finale fireworks sneeze show, on purpose this time. And the villagers, they stopped complaining. In fact, they started celebrating. Every year, they now hold Snorefest, a fun festival with dragon-shaped balloons, cotton candy bushes, and bedtime story contests. Fred even performs a special fireworks sneeze show on purpose. And while he still snores a little, a lot, no one minds, because now they know everyone has something special, even if it sounds weird at first.